Always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
All right, we had a nice sunny weekend, and this is a beautiful sunset. This isn't exactly the one I wanted to show, but nonetheless, this works. This is a view of a sunset yesterday in the Plainwell area, and it's pretty gorgeous. Obviously, no leaves on the trees. Yeah, we have to give that another about a month and a half to 2 months before we start seeing the leaves pop out. Let's take a look at today's high temperature. Ended up being a cool one. At least we got the sunshine. It actually topped out at 39 degrees in Grand Rapids, but everybody stayed in the 30s. Muskegon just 2 degrees above the freezing mark for a daytime high in the mid to late March. That's a pretty chilly day, and that's 46, at least in Grand Rapids. We're 46 degrees colder today than we were 3 years ago on this date, as an amazing heat wave for March wrapped up with a high temperature 85 degrees on this date. Absolutely amazing. So we don't have any warm temperatures heading our way. As a matter of fact, you know it's cold when you see snow on Storm Track Live radar. It is so dry in the lower levels that this is really not reaching the ground. At least there's no indication as of yet, but a few flurries are possible, a couple of sprinkles possible right around the Niles area up towards Bridgman and points to the south. But look what's happening off to the west of us. Believe it or not, you can see an area of snow out there. Very narrow ribbon, about 45 to 50 miles in width, basically, stretching right back to the Rochester, Minneapolis area. And believe it or not, it looks like there is 1 to 2 inches in the forecast for the Chicago area and about 3 to 4 inches for Madison. We are going to see a really close call on this. As a matter of fact, there's even winter weather advisories, southwestern Wisconsin, northern Illinois, and even a winter storm warning just south of Minneapolis for the Rochester area. Hey, welcome to spring, huh? Muskegon, some high clouds out there. We have this pointed to the south and west, and as you might imagine, closer to that snow is where the high clouds thicken up a bit. So there's going to be more clouds south and west of Grand Rapids tonight, more clear skies to the north, and that will have an impact on the temperatures. Right now, 38 degrees in Grand Rapids, 39 in the Kalamazoo area. Light wind out there, generally out of the north-northwest. And again, a few more clouds expected off to our south and west as that area of snow just misses us to the south and west. Here's the forecast tonight, and you can see the futurecast kind of depicts that cloud line. Very thin high clouds are working their way north and east of Grand Rapids, a little bit thicker off to the southwest, but notice the clouds, or at least the snow, stays just off to our south. As we head through Monday, I think we're actually going to see the clouds really thin out during the day, so partly sunny sky conditions heading our way. It's going to be pretty cold tonight, 18 in Grand Rapids. North and east of Grand Rapids, though, we could see low temperatures as low as 10 above. Another cold one on Tuesday morning, but both days we get by with some sunshine. But here comes some rain for Tuesday night. Even could be a little bit of freezing rain north and east of Grand Rapids. Showers most prominent Wednesday, windy day, but note how cold it's going to be overall this upcoming week.